I need somebody help, not just anybody help. You know I need someone help.
Hello, can I have ticket London Zoo, please?
Single return.
Return, please.
That's £10, please.
Sorry, how much?
£10.
Here you are.
Thanks. Here are your ticket and your change.
Can you tell me which way to go, please?
Yes, the London Zoo next to we come down Northern Line.
How many stops is it?
5 stops the London Zoo.
Thanks, bye.
You're welcome.
When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. But now these days are gone, I'm not so self-assured. Now I find I've changed my mind and open up the doors. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down, and I do appreciate you being round.